YouTube is hard. Way harder than I ever expected. Hi soldiers, something a little different today. After 12 months and 3 weeks exactly, the channel has been fully monetized, and I couldn't have done it without you. On a serious note, your support means everything, and this is just the beginning. This is my story on YouTube. I suppose the first place to begin is why I wanted to join YouTube. To be fair, this is something that I've always thought about doing for well over 10 years with my brother. We always talked about starting a channel, maybe a gaming channel, but life kept getting in the way. Then, last year in January, I just decided to go for it. No more waiting, no more excuses. I'm fast approaching 40, and I figured if not now, then when? The thing is, I had zero experience making videos. No idea how to edit, script, or even what makes a good video. But I just followed some advice that I'd watched on a video, just to try and make each video better than the last. But why a channel on war and history? Well, I was a soldier for 7 years, and I've always actually enjoyed history, and here we are. So now that we've hit full monetization, I want to take things to the next level, but I need your input. Right now, I do everything from my phone. Recording, editing, thumbnails, everything. I suppose the first question is, should I invest in a PC? And if I do, drop some recommendations in the comments. What microphone should I use? I always think that I'm putting quite a lot of emotion in my voice when I'm recording, but then when I listen back on it, because it's a cheap microphone, it just sounds the same. But also, what's the best editing software to use? Right now, I just use InShot, which is an Apple app, I believe. But I know there are better options out there. Let me know what you think in the comments. And another question. Right now, most of my videos are roughly 8 to 10 minutes. Is that something that you prefer? Or would you like something longer? Again, drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you've been following my channel now for a while, you'll know that for the first 3 months at least, I used an app called InVideo AI. If you've not actually watched the videos, check them out and let me know what you think compared to my videos right now. In InVideo AI, it did everything. I just prompted and it came up with the media, the voiceover, captions, you name it, it just did everything. But then I wanted to start doing things myself, but I still used some AI tools like Submagic for captions, 11 Labs to convert text to speech. Now don't get me wrong, these apps are great and definitely helped me get started, but over time I realised I actually enjoyed the process. So now I do everything myself, including obviously using my own voice. It did take me a little bit of time to get used to it, because I weren't used to listening to myself speak. My wife absolutely hates it, she thinks it's an ick, she thinks it's quite funny. Also, ditching the subscriptions obviously helped me save money because I weren't actually earning anything from YouTube. The thing is, I still do use ChatGPT to help with scripts, because let's be real, I'm not a writer, and it makes structuring my ideas so much easier. So what have I learned Well, to be honest, I made some big mistakes. For the first 6 months, I focused heavily on YouTube Shorts, thinking they counted towards monetization watch time. My biggest short got over 73,000 views, and I got a little cocky, thought I'd crack YouTube, but then I found out from vidIQ actually that shorts don't count towards monetization, and that was a bit of a wake-up call. To make things worse, short viewers don't really transfer over to long-form content, so I had to basically start fresh and build my long-form audience from scratch. On top of that, I was completely lost when it came to YouTube jargon and analytics, CTR, RPM. I had no idea what any of it meant or how to actually use it to improve my content. It took a lot of trial and error, but I finally started to understand what works and what doesn't. So what are my future plans for the channel? Well, now that we've hit monetization, I'll be mixing it up a little bit with both shorts and long form content. Shorts, as you're probably aware, are great for reach, but long form is what really builds a community, so expect more of both moving forward. I also want to hit 5,000 subscribers, that's my next milestone. And I also want to hear from you guys. What topics do you want to see next? Also, does everyone enjoy our quizzes? Let us know if I could improve these in any kind of way. So you'll probably notice when you watch videos that the pages look a little bit different. You'll see some merch. So we've just opened a shop when we've hit full monetization. If you want to support the channel, check out some of the cool merch that we've got. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, mugs, water bottles, which I think is quite cool. But I also want to thank you all again for being part of this journey. This is just the beginning, and I'm excited to keep growing and improving, and I hope you'll stick around for what's next. Hi soldiers, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to check back in again soon. That's an order.